So we are here. Jason driving like a madman. I almost hit that car. But it's a very exciting day.
That's talking to himself while I'm driving.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I am super excited. I'm going to get a car. I'm actually going to pick a car up from somebody, a good friend of mine, and this is a car that be honest with you, I wasn't planning to get. But if there's any time I buy a certain car that I'm not familiar with from anybody, bro, it's got to be someone that I trust and someone who knows these cars. So if I have questions, if I have issues, I know that they'll be more happy to help me get along. And I think this will be a great new platform to learn from. And yeah, so I'm not going to tell you about car yet. You got to just wait until we get there. I can at least tell you this: I sold the S4. I sold it a while back when the car price was ridiculously high. I wasn't planning to keep the car, to be honest with you, but I ended up selling it a little sooner than usual because, bruh, I don't think this car's gonna be that high anytime in the future. So I said, yo, I sold it and I got more money out of it too, believe it or not. So I was looking for another Audi platform at first, and I said to myself, well, whatever the case may be, it has to be a manual. You know, I'm a type of guy where I want to at least have a manual, and because I'm sick and tired of the automatic. The DSG is great and all, but I want to have a manual. I just like driving manuals.
You want to lose races,
so at least I look good and it's fun doing it. So, but still, I decided to go get this. I was looking for S4, a B8.5 this time. I didn't want the same B8. I want to try to get something newer, but the dealerships, them boys are wilding because they're asking a lot. I understand these cars are kind of rare because they discontinue the manual setup for those cars, and it's a V6 supercharged. They don't make those anymore. So the B9s are like the automatic single turbo hot V setup. Cool platform, but no manual, so that sucked. But I've been looking for a while, bro, for almost a year and change, bro, and I just cannot find a decent one. And then the ones I find, either the owner's sketchy as hell. That's just me. I'm not buying anything from somebody. I don't care if it's a perfect car. If I don't feel comfortable with that owner, bro, he's not telling me everything I need to know, I'm gonna get screwed. Trust me. Somehow I'm gonna get screwed. And then other dealerships, they price gouge the shit out of these cars. They still think it's 2020, so it is what it is. I decided not to get that either. But this car is not gonna be another Audi, at least not for now. So the Audi guys will love my content. Just stick around. You might learn something new about this new platform, but no Audis for now. And it's not a Volkswagen, so that could narrow it down. And it's not another Honda. See, so I just took three. I just give you three cars that I'm not gonna get. Jason is super excited because he likes the car too. He likes it a lot, and I don't know, he wants me to experience the life of these cars.
It puts tears to your eyes. You get one, you're just so filled with emotion.
Yeah.
When you get one,
when your pocket's empty.
And it never worked.
Alright, man, so that's it, bro. If I keep talking, you're gonna find out. So I'll see you there, man.
It's a secret. I don't want to tell you, but the new about to get damn it.
Don't worry, I'm gonna cut it out though. I'm gonna cut it out. You ain't gonna find out till later. Alright, later. Alright, guys, so this is it, man. So I'm at a spot right now. I'm at a dealership about to pick this car up. So this is the car he told me to give it a shot. What do you think, Jason?
Hey man, look at that turbo. All we gotta do is up the boost, bro.
Look at that, bro.
Is that 5 PSI, get us to 7? Woo!
See, I never owned this car before, and I said, screw it, let me give it a shot. I figured, why not?
5 miles on the dash. Yeah, talk about Audi upgrades. 5 miles on the dash.
Yeah, man, not bad. I know you guys are disappointed of my option, but it's a great car all around. 4 doors, SUV. It's the best, bro. Trust me, guys, give it a chance. We're gonna lower with some rims. upgraded turbo. We're going to set this car right, bro. I'm telling you. You know I'm bullshitting. Let me show you what I'm getting. So, as you already know, got myself a Beamer. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't expect getting this car. I wasn't planning to, had no interest with those cars. I mean, I experienced one kinda with Jason's 335. It was interesting. What do you think?
Oh, he ready. I just want to know, is he a Beamer guy? Is you a Beamer guy?
Maybe, I don't know. All I know, I want to try it out, see what's all the hype about. These guys worshiping these cars, saying that they're the best, one of the best platform, you know, German 2JZ, all that wild stuff. But
no one said that.
But I do want to experience it. I think these are great cars overall. Why not? If I'm going to own a BMW, I might as well own at least once in my life, right? But this particular car, which is pretty interesting, I'm not going to get too much in detail, but it had a lot of goodies. In the next video, I want to talk about everything on the mods wise, but I can show you what's obvious. Clearly, have these nice wheels. I don't even know what wheels are these. And they look good. They got this badass tire keys. You already know I have to get the manual. Like I said, it has to be a manual. It's pretty wide in the back as well. It's actually rubbing a little bit, but it's nice. Got nice exhaust, deck lid, all that stuff. Oh, obviously, it's flex fuel, so I thought that was pretty cool. Inside the car is pretty clean, pretty decent.
The interior is immaculate on this, man.
What year is this car? I think it was 2008, 2008, yep. So for a car that's 2008, this car interior is pretty clean. Back seat is almost spotless. Actually, it is. I don't see any crease or nothing. Obviously, natural wear and tear for the driver. A lot less on the passenger. Nice shifter. Everything is nice. To have a boost gauge over here, I thought that was kind of cool. Inside feels nice. Steering wheel is pretty much, you know, natural wear and tear. I probably would replace this for something different. Who knows? But yeah, this car is really, really clean, man. Not bad. Some custom type of exhaust. I'm not sure what it is yet. It sounds really nice. Check it under the hood real quick. So I know it has, I think he said Franken turbos. Obviously aftermarket intake, but motor is pretty solid. Little maintenance here and there, but this thing is pretty solid, man. This car looks amazing. It looks well done, looks taken care of. I just can't wait to have it for myself and do all kind of weird mods with it.
Yeah, man, this car right here, I think Steph gonna really like it. Really good. Already got some goodies on it. Focus on getting some maintenance done, getting the exterior, getting the cosmetics looking real nice, then really get into some speed, some tuning.
Facts.
Just keep in tune, man.
Facts.
Keep in tune.
Facts. Yo. Right now, my goal for today is just to take this home. So, you guys are gonna come roll with me for a bit. For my first time driving this car. Super excited. Share this experience with you on the open road. And Let's do this. Got a lot of torque. Got a lot of torque. Woo. I don't know if you can hear that, it's a little rubbing. Whoa! Oh! Oh! I don't know if you can hear that, the turbo spooling. It sounds so good. And it's a cold morning, so I know this car loves it right now. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, that felt good. One more. Handling these corners pretty well. Ain't gonna lie, guys, this is actually pretty cool. The engagement, man, it's hard to find it, but you'll learn pretty quick, right? Whoa! Oh, that felt good. It bounces. Yeah, it bounces. It bounces a lot. So I can hear the rear tire rubbing. And he told, the previous owner told me that, you know, this is more like a one guy's car, because if you have a passenger, it will rub. And he was not lying. I had a buddy with me when I was test driving the car, and we didn't really do anything crazy, but we can hear it constantly rubbing, so it's missing the tires, but that's something we could fix. One more pull. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, this feels fun. I like this car, man. Hopefully you guys are able to experience what I just did. And there's gonna be more videos about this platform, this car. Super excited. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.